Hey, welcome to Nature is My Joy. Today we are going to be planting some seeds in this right here. We're going to be doing some kale, some cucumbers, and some, what was the other thing it was? Kale, cucumbers, let me get, okay. So, kale, lettuce, more lettuce, because I said, hey, you can't get enough. And one of them is like black seeded Simpson, and the other one is Paris Island Cos, like romaine lettuce, so, you know, and spinach, okay? I'm going to be planting them with this right here. Great for starting, you know, seedlings. And I will put a little bit of this potting soil that I got from Family Dollar as well. Yeah.
Mom,
So,
destroy the sink.
no, I didn't. The sink is easy to clean. It's not destroyed. It's really cold outside, so we're doing this inside right now. As soon as the sun come out, it's going to be very hot, so it's whatever. It's cool. Okay, let's set this one right here. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get out the kale. Okay, let's see. I'm literally gonna do a whole tray of each one of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're gonna put about 2 to 3, I would say probably 2 to 3 seedlings in each. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 2, 3, 4. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Just grabbing a little dirt from these. Okay, we're just dropping 1 and 2. 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 And 3. So, this right here is my kale. All right. Okay. Great way to make labels. I want to tell you. You can either cut up. You see, got pieces of mail. Just cut it up. Make sure it's not important. And get yourself some labels. I'm telling you, right now my life is going into the direction of recycling, self-sustainability, and this is how we do it. Now, trying to get into the habit of writing the name and the date so that we can kind of keep track of how the plant is doing. Okay, so today is, what is it? May the 7th, okay. Okay, and we're just going to stick that in here like this for now. That's my own little remedy right now. So, we got the kale going. This is the kale. All right. Lettuce, okay, the romaine lettuce. So, how it go. All right, this is actually day one, so I'll see you when we are about 2 weeks in, and we'll see the growth and how it's doing. All right. Thank you for watching. Nature is my joy.